How's it going, everyone? So today I'm starting a new series of 10 minutes quick and easy sketch. And this tutorial is going to help you guys draw a perfect proportions for the portraits. So today I'm drawing Matt Damon. So let's get started. So first thing first, draw a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then draw two lines, vertical and horizontal, right in the middle. Now take half of the circle and draw exactly the same underneath for the chin. Now go ahead and make a V shape for the jawline. It is very important to keep looking at your reference picture again and again. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove all the lines. Make sure you don't draw very hard lines, because otherwise you won't be able to remove them. Now let's go ahead and draw a horizontal line right in the middle of the face, and one line vertically right in the middle. Now let's go ahead and divide the upper portion into half for the hairline, and again into half. Now do exactly the same for the bottom portion, for the nose and for the lips. Now for the eyes, divide again the half of the portion vertically into half, and draw two lines on the left and right for the eyes, and do exactly the same on the other side. And now for the ears, in my reference picture, the reference picture is looking down a bit, so the ears are going to be up a little bit. Otherwise, if your reference picture is looking straight, your ears are going to be in the same level of your eyebrows and your nose. And now, as you can see, I'm drawing shoulders by looking at the reference picture. So now let's go ahead and draw the proportions. So I'm drawing the proportions, number one, by looking at the reference picture again and again, and by using the guidelines that I created earlier. So this part is very important. You have to be very patient, but don't give up. I'm sure you're going to have to use the eraser again and again, because this part is very important. And now I'm doing exactly the same on the other side. You can always go outside or inside the guidelines. It's entirely up to you. Whatever your reference picture shows you, you have to do that. You don't have to stick to your guidelines 100%. So now I'm going to go ahead and draw the nose. So I'm going to draw two lines vertically, starting from the tear ducts all the way to the nostrils. Just keep looking at your reference picture. If If the nose you're drawing is bigger, obviously you need to change it. And draw the nostrils as you see in the reference picture. Now let's go ahead and draw lips. So for the lips, you're going to draw 2 vertical lines starting from the middle of the eyeballs all the way to the start of the lips, and you're going to repeat the same on the other side. Now draw the lips exactly the same way as you see in your reference picture. Make sure you take time while drawing the lips, because lips are the most complicated part of the face. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw the jaw lines. For the jaw lines, I have to go outside the guidelines like I see in my reference picture. And now finally I'm going to go ahead and make the lines visible for the ears. And the last but not least, I'm going to draw a hairline. And now that my sketch is complete, I'm going to go ahead and remove all the guidelines that I created. And now some final touches before I start the shadings. Okay, so my 10-minute sketch is ready. So now I'm quickly going to go ahead for the shadings, and I'm going to go time lapse.